अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कैफ़ा हालुकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कैफ़ा हालुकुम अंती।
खैर व आफिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। Yesterday we have done all of the tasarif of Fele Mudare and Fele Mazi. I hope Fele Amar is also clear. Shall I repeat the Fele Amar again?
If you can repeat, because yesterday, I was half available in the class, but remaining half class I missed it. The last 10-15 minutes of the class, I really missed it.
Okay, if you guys can miss the class, so you can also go through the recording. Recording would be help a lot because
Okay, okay, okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
during the class.
okay, fine.
But Fele Amar, we didn't discuss it that much the way we have discussed about Fele Mudare and Fele Mazi. So I would definitely go for that. Let's discuss about Fele Amar. Fele Amar is basically commanding tense. We all know about it that when we do command to someone, so it would be only second person. थर्ड पर्सन से हम कमांड नहीं कर सकते। जो हमारे सामने हम उसी को कमांड देते हैं ना। हम ये तो नहीं कहेंगे ना कि वो ये काम कर ले, वो ये काम कर ले या तुम ये काम कर लो, दोनों में फर्क है ना। सो फेले अमर इज ऑलवेज ओनली फॉर हाजिर, प्रेजेंट, सेकंड पर्सन, लाइक कमांडिंग। आई विल से टू यू, डोंट डू दिस, डोंट डू दैट, डू इट, डू दैट, ईट इट, just go, drink water or drink tea. These kind of things
आज
are
वो
commanding.
बताने जा रहा है इकरा पढ़ो
Exactly.
इशरब पियो और खाने को क्या कहते हैं? ताम। नहीं, ताम नहीं कहते। नहीं, खाने को कहते हैं आकुल, खाओ।
Exactly.
आकुल।
Exactly. Like this. So you can see that here idrib, idriba, idribu, we only have two persons like present, second person male and second person female, and that's it. Failure have only six sigas, including singular, plural, and dual. Likewise for male as well and for female as well. So idrib means hit. You have to hit. I am commanding you that hit him or hit. Right now I am only say hit. Okay. Its dwell is musanna is idriba. Dwell को हम अरबिक में मुसन्ना कहते हैं या तस्निया कहते हैं. Okay. Idriba, two people, two males are in front of me and I am commanding them hit. Idribu, hit you all. Likewise, idribi, in front of me there is a female person and I am saying that idribi, hit. Idriba, two female person, idriba, idribna, idribna. So when we repeatedly do the practice, we will already like we will have the grip to understand that okay, here if I would have to go for the commanding words and if the clarity would be in my mind that command only applies to second person, either it would be male or female, like idrib, idriba, idribu, idribi, idriba, idribna. Okay. Likewise, there is a word ta'ala, ta'ala, ta, ain, alif, lam. लाम के ऊपर कसरा आएगा, सॉरी फतहा आएगा, जबर. ta'ala, wait a minute, let me write it here so you guys can know. There is a word ta'ala. Wait a minute. It means come. Oh, sorry. ये ta'ala. ठीक है? ta'ala, ta'ala. If we will say about 12 people, so we would say we would we would say the same thing, but it would be lam alif la. There, ta'ala has only fatha, only zabar, Arab. But here, when we talk about dwell, so we would say ta'ala, then ta'alu. Ta के बाद lam, वाव और alif आ जाएगा. It will become ta'alu. Okay? Come. Like I would say, here, idribi, ta'ali, idriba, ta'ala, idribna, ta'alna. So these kind of things we need to discuss.
इसका रूट वर्ड क्या है?
Ta'al, come. I will,
Come?
I'm working on that. Don't worry, guys. I will definitely share complete charts regarding this because I'm already working on that. So we can get the grip. Right now, what we have to do a lot of practice, whatever we are doing in the class. So we need to repeat if there would be any confusion. So you need to go to check the recording again and jot down the notes in your copy. So automatically you will get the understanding towards every single word like write, read, eat, drink, these kind of words. So if I would say Amar Hazir, if I would say Ishrab, what does it mean? Ishrab.
Drink.
Exactly.
You
Drink.
single person drink.
Exactly. If I would say Ishrabil ma, we will say ma, mamana
Water.
haza, water.
Water.
Exactly. Ishrib, Ishrabil ma, Ishrabul, kahwa, Ishrabul shai. Shai is tea and kahwa is coffee, I guess. So,
Chai is
idri
milk
bhi.
tea, and if I'm not wrong, kahwa is without milk. Tea, black tea, आप जिसको कहते हैं.
Yeah,
This is
you
what
can
it is.
say. Yeah.
हाँ.
And idribi, I am talking to a female person, commanding. Ishribi, Ishribi, Ishriba, Ishribna. So in this way we can make it. But don't get confused if there would be some Arab difference, because gradually when we start learning the different words, yes, I am saying that this might be get a confusion, because here in Arabic, in some words, instead of zair, you will see the zabar. So it would be a tricky. Yes, you have to learn. You have to repeatedly doing the practice.
यहाँ
So
पे इशरिबा इशरिबू क्यों नहीं आता?
इश्रिबा आएगा ना? इश्रिबा, इश्रबू, इश्रिबी, इश्रिबा, इश्रिबना.
नहीं, पहले आपने एक और लफ्ज बोला था ना,
क्या?
इशरिबिल मा.
Ishribna.
Ishrib al-ma means
इशरिब
drink
अलमा.
the water. I am saying water, okay? Ishrib al-ma, drink the water. I am commanding to my son that Ya Salar, Ishrib al-ma, drink the water. I am commanding him. If the two male people are in front of me, so I would say Ishraba al-ma, Ishraba al-ma. उनको भी मैं यही कह रही हूँ. Two people when they are in front of me, I am commanding them, but I am saying Ishraba with alif and zabar. And if couple of males are in front of me, so I would say Ishrabu. Ishrabu. What?
Screenshot.
Do you are you saying something? Okay, so I hope you got it. If not, kindly do let me know. Yes. Is there any question regarding understanding of failure, Amar? Like we have done the is yastayqizu, astayqizu, right? Yastayqizu is I wake up, or I'm gonna wake up. Okay, I'm waking up, or I wake up. So if I would command to someone that wake up, it's morning, wake up. So how would I say? Who will make it? Give it a try.
Astayqiz.
See, this is the tricky one. Astayqizu, yastayqizu is fe'l mudare. Fe'l mudare, astayqizu. But if I would say in commanding sense, so I would say istayqiz. Istayqiz for
Okay.
male. Okay, istayqiz. All right.
Okay.
Haza fi sabahi. Istayqiz, wake up. Haza fi sabahi, it's morning. All right. So, likewise, if we would
यानी what I understood is अगर हम फेले मुदारे में बात करेंगे तो it is with zabar, and if you are talking in फेले amar it is with zeir.
in only in male person, okay?
Only
Female,
in male person.
yes,
But
yes.
in female,
Idribi. So istayqizi.
istayqizi, idribi. Okay, fine. But no, but in yani alif is with zeir only, na? But this is what I'm trying to say. Either I'm commanding a male person or in a female person.
Yeah, exactly.
But alif is with zeir only. In the end, we are adding ya also for female, but alif begins with zeir. This is what I'm trying to clear.
Exactly, exactly. You are right. All right. Likewise, what else we can add here? If il, एक second. Here, yes. Yes. If ali. See, idrib, ishrab, if all. Here you are you noticing that a difference in between Arab, in between the word, like here commanding word is idrib, but if we would say ishrab, so ra has no kasra, ra has fatha in ishrab. Likewise, if I would say if al, do it. So are you noticing that ain has no kasra, ain has fatha, zabar, if al. So as I told you that it's a tricky one. There might be some difference, but in the beginning you can say alif with zair, if al, if ali, if al, if ala, if alu, if ali, if ala, if alna, if alna. So these kind of things you have to make it. And this is all about practice. I'm just saying that it's a tricky one. There is no similar pattern in learning the Arabic words. That's why it's a bit confusing. So the more you will do the practice, the more you will make like written work in your notebooks. So automatically you will understand that here we can use sabar in between the word, like idrib, ishrab, idrib, ishrab, akul, ifal. Are you noticing the difference? Alif is in the beginning, yes, but in between the word Arab's difference you have to notice. All right. This is the fele amar. Hazir means commanding words. Now nahi hazir. When we talk about nahi hazir, it means, as I told you earlier, that if I want to make don't drink. So how would I say? La tashrab. La tashrab. Don't drink. It is nahi hazir. Nahi hazir. Like it's also commanding, but it's in negative word. I am saying in a negative form. So only we will add la before fele mudare. So it will become nahi hazir. Got it? Like la tashrabu, la nashrabu means we don't drink. La nashrabu. They don't drink. So how would we say? They don't drink, males. La
La
tashrabu.
tadribu. La tashribu.
Exactly. And if I would say for the females, don't they do?
Don't they do or they don't do? Okay, okay.
Yes, they don't
Uh,
do, sorry.
La
Uh,
ta la ta'ala
la
la
tashribna.
ta'alamin la ta'alamin la ta
See. If
la ta'ala.
I would say for nahi ghaib. So nahi ghaib
Hmm.
mein automatically we are not supposed to command absent people, right? We only can command present people who are in front of me. Okay. But when we talk about the negative word, like they don't do it. So for that purpose also we need to understand that how can we make the sentence. But for nahi hazir, the same way we use for hazir for second person fele mudare, we only have to add la. Okay, la tashrabu, la tashriba, la tashrabu, la tashribi, la tashriba, la tashribna.
तो दे डोंट डू में अगर आप टू गर्ल्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप इसको ta'alab ला ta'alaba पढ़ेंगे ला
Here, I'm
ta'alam.
saying, Nida, here we only have to see first that who we can do the commands, who we can do the commands. Like I'm saying, do it. So who
ओके,
I am saying, who is second person in front of me?
सही सही.
He or she is Hazir. They are present.
हम्म
So we
हम्म.
can command only those people who are present, not absent. So in this way,
सही सही.
when we make um, Fele Amar, so Fele Amar is a totally different, you can say. But when we want to make it in negative form, so we only add La before the Fele Mudare. Fele Mudare ki form mein it would be the same thing. All right? इसके लिए जब तक हम एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे यू गाइज आई नो कांट एबल टू गेट द क्लैरिटी बट लिटिल बिट फॉर गेटिंग एन आइडिया आई वांट टू शेयर इट and I'm working on it inshallah in our next class I would have some charts so we can get to know the things that how can we make it in fele amar fele mazi fele mudare and fele mustaqbil. All right, Fele Mustaqbil is very easy. It's a piece of cake because only in Fele Mudare, before the Fele Mudare, we will, for the um, near future, we need to add seen before the Fele Mudare, and for the far future, we need to add Saufa before the Fele Mudare. I hope you guys are getting the clarity about that. Now, if you remember that we also have discussed Fele Mudare Mazi Majhul. Sorry, Fele Mazi Majhul. Fele Mudare Majhul also is there. एक second. Here. So let's discuss about this as well. Like you can say, एक second. All right. Okay. Wait a minute. All right. This is Fele Mudare Majhul. हमने जो पहले किया था वो था मारूफ. I told you guys that it's Fele Mudare Maruf. Okay. Maruf is that Fele Mudare which we already have done in the lessons of Baina Yadaik. Okay, this is Mudare Majhul. We didn't discuss earlier about this. As you know that in English, if I would say I was being hitted, what does it mean? मुझे मारा गया. I was being hitted. So, in this way, wait a minute.
So is it like this कि maruf is active sentence and majhul are passive sentences in English?
Exactly. See,
how it is, how it is.
In maruf and majhul, right now we are discussing fi'l mudare present. So just have focus and listen it very carefully, cautiously, that what I'm going to tell you. Like in fi'l maruf, we all know that, एक second, it is yadribuna, yadribuna, tadribuna, tadribina. All right, so are you noticing that here in fi'l mudare maruf, what we can see that this is here tadribuna, tadribuna. अभी हम जो है ना पहले वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, वेट, अभी हम सिर्फ सिंगल की बात करते हैं, ड्वेल और उसकी बाद में बात करेंगे. दिस इज तद्रिबू, you hit or you are hitting, tadribu. But if we will see in the fele mudare majhul, so here instead of fatha we will use damma, pesh. Let me tell you. Yes, so here you guys can see it, damma is here in the beginning. Yudrabu, yudrabu means, and it is गायब. अभी गायब को नहीं हम शेयर करते, डिस्कस करते, पहले हाजिर को करते हैं, ठीक है. हियर इज फेले हाजिर, फेले मुदारे मजहूल, एंड दिस इज हाजिर. हाजिर क्या है? हियर आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ मेल पर्सन, राइट? आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ मेल पर्सन दैट तुद्रबू. तुद्रबू मीन्स यू आर बीइंग हिटेड, तुम्हें मारा जाता है और तुम्हें मारा जा रहा है. तुद्रबू या मारा जाएगा, whatever. तुद्रबू, how can we discriminate in फेले मुदारे मारूफ and फेले मुदारे मजहूल? That हम, जैसे मैं कह रही हूँ I hit, but when I would say I am being hitted, can you easily discriminate these things? That I hit, मैं मारती हूँ या मैं मारी जाती हूँ, मुझे मारा जाता है. So instead of adribu, udrabu, मारा जाता हूं या मारा जाऊंगा, एक मर्द या औरत, I mean it's मुतकल्लिम. See here, oops, wait a minute. Yes, here. This is I am being hitted. We are being hitted. हमें मारा जाता है. नुद्रबू, उद्रबू. Now let's come to the female second person. तुद्रबीना. हम क्या कहते हैं जब हम कहते हैं you hit to a female person? तद्रिबीना. But here we are using damma in the beginning. Tudrabina. You are being hitted. Okay, so this is the same as fele mudare maruf. Only we need to add in the beginning letter. We have to remove from the fele mudare maruf fatha, zabar, and transform into the damma, pesh. Like adribu, I hit. Udrabu, I am being hitted. Nadrabu, I hit. We hit. Nudrabu, we are being hitted. Likewise, you can see. Yes, you can see when I used to say from a male person who is in front of me. So I would say yudrabu. You hit yadrabu. You are being hitted yudrabu. तुम्हें मारा जाता है. Now tell me who got the clarity and who not. Yes, please do let me know. all of you guys got the clarity for Fe'le Mudare Majhul. Means we are talking about present tense, but what is it? That I am being hit. I am being hit. I am being drink. I am being drink the water. कैसे बोलेंगे?
No, if it's water, so I
ये
drink
पानी
the water
पिलाया
and the
जाता है.
passive one is I drink the water and the other one is the water has been drunk by me. आप ये कहेंगे
I am
मतलब if
being
it's
drink water. मुझे पानी पिलाया जाता है.
पानी मुझे पानी पिलाया जाता है. एक
I am
मिनट
being drink. Yes. So ushrabu. Ushrabu. Only Dhamma in Fatha as the difference. Only. That's it. Otherwise, it would be the same as the Fe'le Mudare Maruf. All right. I have charts of Fa'ala. Fa'ala. I will share it in the group. They are written in the copy. So you guys can get more clarity and try hard to make it. You can find out these.
What I understood is that with Zabar we are talking in an active sentence, and with Dhamma we are talking in a passive sentence. What kind of active and passive in English it is?
Exactly.
That in active sentences the subject is basically the basic work has been done by subject. So we
Exactly.
are focusing on subject, but in passive sentence the work has been done, we were focusing on the object, means how the object has been treated. This is what in passive sentence in English we are doing. As I gave you example that if I say I drink water, so it is I am the person who's doing work. But if I'll convert into passive, it will be the water has been drunk by me. So now the focus in on the water, because now the water became the subject and I became the object.
Exactly.
This is what it.
Yes, you are right. I agree with you. And I know that you guys have so many things in your head, as it's a bit tricky and difficult. I am looking for some applications from Google Play Store, and I am looking for some books where we can get the proper clarity, we can get the whole chart, we can get the whole words, you can say in a flow chart form, that from the root word, how can we transform it in Fe'le Mudare, Fe'le Mazi, Fe'le Amar, and Fe'le Mudare, Mazi and Amar in Maruf and Majhul both. Okay? Wait a minute. All right. Now let's move on. Fa'ilun and fa'il and maf'ul. I already told you what is fa'il and what is maf'ul in English. If I would say listener, so how would I say? You know, listening को क्या कहते हैं? Asma'u, tasma'u, yasma'u, tasma'ina, tasma'u.
Sama कहते हैं. I think so. Listening is sama.
Exactly.
Samat से है. It's sama.
Yes. So if I would say you are the listener, how would I say? I am talking to a female person. It would be sami'atun. For male, sami'un. For female, sami'atun. Listener, bolne wala. So when we make sentences, we can easily get to know that here I have to use the fa'il or fa'il. Like ana zahibun. फिल मदरसा इंतजिर. I am a goer. I am gonna go to the madrasa. Intazir, wait for me. उर्दू में हम इसको इस तरह कहेंगे अगर if I am saying ana zahibun, so मैं जाने वाली हूँ मदरसा. Wait for me. Like you can say I am the audience and I am the listener. So ana sama'atun. Ana sama'atun. Sorry. Ana samiyatun. Dwaribatun, Saumiyatun, what else? Sharibatun, peene wali, drinker, and what else we can say? Fa'ilatun, करने वाली, fa'ilun, करने वाला. This is basically subject. Fa'il is subject and maf'ul is object. Now let's move on. मफूल वो होता है जिस पे काम किया जा रहा होता है, ठीक है? Like madrubun, that male person who was being hitted. इसमें मफूल वो मारा जाने वाला मर्द है. मदरूबुन मारा हुआ एक मर्द. अना मदरूबुन, you can say अना मदरूबुन बिर्रुजुल. I was being hitted by a man. Rajul, by a man. I am just telling you these things for your understanding, but right now we will not do practice on fa'il and maf'ul. Just you need to get the clarity that fa'il is subject and maf'ul is object. Firstly, we need to focus on fi'l mudare, fi'l mazi and fi'l amr to understand the things, including dwell and plural. Singular is wahid, dwell is musanna and plural is jama. देखें अब यहाँ पे है माजी, फेले माजी मजहूल. What we have learned in mazi maruf, daraba, darabat. Daraba for absent male, third person male, and darabat is third person female. So let's move on to the mazi majhul here. Instead of daraba, they are saying duriba. So here, the same difference. What is the same difference? Like instead of fatha, we put the dhamma. See, duriba, mazi maruf mein, it's daraba. And in mazi majhul, we would say duriba. Daraba and duriba. Daraba is he hitted. उसने मारा. He hitted. And इसमें he was being hitted. I am talking about that person who was being hitted, जिसको मारा गया. So I would say duriba. And darabat for female. Wait a minute. Darabat, yes. Here is darabat. So darabat is in mazi maruf and duribat is mazi majhul. Are you noticing the difference? माजी मारूफ में हम कह रहे हैं कि मैंने मारा. या तुमने उसने मारा, उस औरत ने मारा। बट माजी मजहूल में हम क्या कह रहे हैं? वो औरत मारी गई जिसके ऊपर काम हुआ है। सब्जेक्ट, सॉरी, ऑब्जेक्ट। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट। लाइक किसी के जहन में कोई जुमला हो इस तरह का, तो मुझे बताएं उर्दू या इंग्लिश में, देन वी ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट इट।
मैंने देखा।
ओके, मैंने देखा।
ठीक है ना, दिस इज इन मारूफ। अब मजहूल में हम इसको करेंगे तो वो देखा गया, मतलब मैंने देखा उसको, और फिर उसके बाद जब हम पैसिव में करेंगे तो वो देखा गया, इस तरह
ओके,
हो जाएगा अगर।
यस। सो यू कैन से राइतु। राइतु, मैंने देखा, आई सॉ। राइतु। एंड if I would make it in past, it is past, raitu. But if we will transform it in mazi majhul,
पैसिव पास्ट,
exactly,
पैसिव पास्ट इफ विल मेक इट। ओके,
exactly. So what would be we make it? Raitu. Yes. Who will make it? Give it a try.
रुएतु, रुएतु
Uh,
पेश हो जाएगा, मतलब आपने कहा ना कि प्रेजेंट में है
exactly,
तो इट्स
exactly.
विद
Raitu.
जबर,
Ruaitu.
जबर।
Ruaitu.
हाँ, रोए। एंड इफ इट्स इन इफ इट्स इन पैसिव देन इट विल कन्वर्ट टू विद पेश, जबर हट के पेश हो जाएगा वो।
Exactly. Ruaitu.
रुएतु, रुएतु।
Okay. I will try to make it like charts, and I will gradually share it in group. Try to do a lot of practice after watching the recordings as well. And if there would be any confusion, try to use it, try to ask your queries in group or in my inbox, or do the practice in your practice